Get a Mazda, they said. It would be fun, they said. Check engine light with only 212 miles. Car only has 212 miles. We scan for codes. And we can see that the issues with the torque converter, which is inside the transmission. And looks like that's the only code we have so far. So when it comes to vehicles like this with such low mileage, I'm just going to send this thing to the dealer. But I still think it's crazy how this car only has 212 miles. And it already has transmission issues. That's crazy. But this car is brand new and the Innova was still able to read it.